Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark. As always, I hope you're keeping safe, healthy and are well wherever you are in the world. You join me for a very quick unboxing of something from Sunspel that actually relates to a new movie that isn't Bond, but rather Brad Pitt and Formula One. Let's get to it. So as I mentioned there in the introduction, this is the sweatshirt. It's called the Loopback Sweatshirt from Sunspel. It's as worn by Brad Pitt in the new and recent movie F1, conveniently titled F1 and about Formula One. There's some great shots of him wearing this particular sweatshirt in the movie. It comes in two colours, a Thyme, which is kind of a green colour, and a shell pink. Now I have gone for the Thyme colour, so let's jump right to it. This was delivered like in the past 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm quite excited to check this out. Now I have to say a big thank you to Sunspel for getting this to me so quickly. I'm going to open it up this way so that we both get a view of what's inside. And here we go. So lovely Sunspel branded box on the inside. I'm going to take out the contents. I didn't go for the gift wrapping. When I say gift wrapping, I mean there's like a presentation box you can get if you so wish. Wasn't one for me. I was very happy with it just coming as it is. So you still get some lovely Sunspel branded paper. And then on the inside, we have a lovely Sunspel postcard, some really cool, funky retro graphics that they use on their branding, which is great. So here we have it. This is the Loopback Sweatshirt in Thyme. Now I've gone for a size small. Hopefully that's the right decision. This is a size small. The other polos, the long sleeved Riviera that I have as well, is a size small, and that fits really comfortably on me. They do say, Sunspel, that this was kind of first introduced, this Loopback sweatshirt was first introduced by their former Sunspel creative director, Jonathan Anderson, and it has a neat fit and refined sweatshirt detailing with a V-stitch insert and rib cuffs. So let's get to it. We've got the sweatshirt in this plastic. First off, I'm loving the colour. I don't really have anything that is this particular shade of green, which they're calling Thyme. So I'll just pop that there as I clear some of those cardboard pieces from the box. Let's have, oh, it's really soft. I mean, you would expect Sunspel clothing to be soft, as you know the Riviera polo is, as this Sea Island cotton polo is. But yeah, very nice. We've got Sunspel tags, size small. You can see straight away on the front there, you've got this V-stitch detailing, really nicely done. Wow, this really does, it almost feels like a toweling. I'm going to open this up, take out the corner paper there, and here we have it again. Some of this cardboard has kind of found itself onto the sweatshirt. I'm loving the colour, I really am. It feels really soft. It is 100% cotton. As I mentioned, you've got this kind of crew collar, you've got the V-neck stitching, and then on the cuffs as well, you have this really nice kind of wrist-hugging finish that you have. So Sunspel also say made from an exceptionally soft cotton loop-back fabric. It really is soft. Its internal loop stitch is specifically designed to be warm and insulating. The contemporary cut makes it highly versatile and easy to style with other things. So that's going to be great. On the inside here, you do notice this is the loop back stitching that they mention on the inside. Really nice. This is going to pair so brilliantly with a pair of jeans, as we already know it does, because we've seen those publicity photos of Brad Pitt from the movie wearing this shirt. I believe he also wears the other version, which is a shell pink colour. Now, Sunspel did these sweatshirts, these loopback sweatshirts, as a very limited number. There was only 100 of each. So 100 of the Thyme, so the green, and 100 of the shell pink. I went for the Thyme because I think green, for me, will be an easier colour to kind of pull off. As I've mentioned previously, I don't really have anything that is this colour, so really excited to get this, try something different, see how it fits. And I suppose, talking of seeing how it fits, that's the next thing to do. So bear with me, next shot you're going to see, I'm going to be hopefully wearing this and it fits, and we'll give some initial thoughts and review. Okay, so this is it. This is the Loopback Sweatshirt in Thyme from Sunspel. Really soft and comfortable. It is quite, as I say, this is a size small. The polos that I have from Sunspel are a size small, the Riviera polo. The polo I was just wearing, the Sea Island cotton, is a size small. They all fit perfectly. This is a really comfortable fit. It's perhaps, some people might think, slightly snug for them, but I actually quite like that it's as tapered down the arms as it is. Fits really nicely around the wrists. I love the colour. It's really, really soft and comfortable, even on the inside where it's got that loop back stitching. Really pleased with it. I'm liking the colour a lot. I think it suits me quite well. It's a really comfortable fit for kind of, I don't know, lounging around, for, you know, general, more relaxed occasions. I'd wear something like this. So yeah, really pleased with that. So thank you, Sunspel, for getting this out to me so quickly. If you were lucky enough to get one of these, let me know what you think in the comments below. As I've mentioned, they were limited to 100, so it was kind of a blink and you miss it type sale event. But looking forward to seeing the movie, seeing this actual sweatshirt up on the big screen. Worn much better by Brad Pitt, I'm sure, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I'm thoroughly pleased with it. So yeah, really pleased. They do have a whole host of other colours that were available on the website. So do head on to Sunspel's website. I'll put a link in the description below. Check out the other colours that they have available. But yeah, thoroughly pleased with this particular sweatshirt. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick unboxing video. If you have, do consider giving it a thumbs up, a like. Leave a comment below. What do you think of this colour? What do you think of the loop back style sweatshirts that we're seeing kind of become ever more popular? Let me know in the comment section below. But until the next time, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. I'll catch you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.